This is what it looks like. Go ahead and read this right here. Grease used in the assembly of the lower hitch and upper arms to the subframe should be preferably of high quality, designated extreme pressure, and containing molybdenum disulfide. This grease should specify Moly EP on the label. And this is driving me bananas because actually they should have said Moly HP. Moly HP, not EP. I'm here for your grammar. 12 years in summer school. Oh yeah. So let's do this and do this. Yeah, this is what we use. Here's the part number. Try not to get some glare here. 70,000, 10,401. That's it. Oh yeah.